Scottsdale.com.
It is reported that January is the month with the highest amount of divorces. Now, one of the major issues people experience when going through divorce is debt-related stress. Diana Isaac, partner at Shulman Partners LLP, joins us now with some tips on how to navigate finances moving forward with divorce. I've been there many years ago. You asked me how long ago. I'm like, it's gone. It's like past life. I've tried to put it there in terms of recesses of my memory. But I know for a lot of people, one of the reasons they don't actually go through with divorce or they put it off for so long is because the financial situation and going down that road of splitting assets, it's so stressful, and realizing that you'll have to find separate homes. Obviously, that costs double the amount and your income isn't changing. Talk about some of the tips that you tell your clients.
Yeah, absolutely. It's very important to actually write down your sources of income. Many people post-divorce don't consider what kind of income they're getting. So do we have child support, spousal support, employment income? Other tips I would recommend is understanding the tax consequences to your settlement. Some people don't.
I've never thought about.
Absolutely.
What do you mean? Do you get taxed on settlements?
Well, for instance, when it comes to spousal support, if you're receiving a monthly amount of spousal support, it is taxable to the person that is receiving it per month, but child support is tax-free.
Really? So making sure you ink out the right deal if you have children, as opposed to just getting a lump sum from your ex-spouse that you'd have to pay tax on, like as if it's income.
Correct. I also think it's important to understand your financial identity. So,
what does that mean?
Well, it means basically that when people divorce, they don't understand sometimes the impact that the divorce has on their credit score. So someone says, you know what, my partner at the time of marriage had racked up significant debt, and I don't know what my credit score looks like. And some people say, my partner took care of all of the finances and I don't really have much credit.
That is, I want to say amen. That is so relatable for me, because when you get into a marriage, you're not going in there thinking, oh, eventually we'll get divorced. So oftentimes a lot of your credit cards, your line of credits, your house, everything is intertwined. And so at the end of the day, if someone, say, operates another business or likes to shop a lot, whatever it might be, the debt might not be even, and yet till death do us part, I mean, it continues with you, right?
It
so
does.
It's something to think about if it's a large sum and they're going to want to get paid out like everybody else.
Right.
Yeah.
Which is very important to have a financial advisor. Usually when I'm representing clients, I always explain to them that it's important to speak to someone that especially specializes in divorces, because they need to make sure that your current lifestyle can be met, and also considering what your lifestyle will look like in your retirement years.
So really quick, though, because that's a great point, is something you talked about, life insurance. So in the case that you are receiving either spousal support or child support, you can take out a life insurance policy on your ex-spouse?
Usually during settlement, we do see clauses whereby there are life insurance policies, and really that acts as security for support. So in the event that the payor, your ex-spouse, does predecease you, you're able to have that security and support flowing despite the fact that they've passed away.
And do you need their okay to take out that kind of insurance on them? Because really you're the one paying the premium, or you have it so that they're paying the premium as part of your divorce settlement?
Yeah, and usually that's part of the divorce settlement, whereby there is a life insurance taken out and the other side is aware of it, and we have the recipient as the beneficiary to that.
Thank you so much for coming in.
It's a pleasure.
This isn't the sexiest topic, but it's an important one given that a lot of people will be going through it. Make sure you go into it knowing full well how strong you're going to be on the other side.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much.
Pleasure.
We'll be right back after this break. Stay with us for Global News Morning.